Hello, friends and followers. Well, lots of projects are on my desk today. I've been fixing the transmitter, the Heathkit Marauder. I found that the 11 meter band and 20 meters don't seem to work right, so I got to fix that. I did fix the bias. Anyway, this is about the Dentron amplifier that my brother sent me. My poor brother fired up the Dentron and it made a huge boom sound and it knocked off his circuit breaker in his house. The same thing happened to me. I fired up the evil Dentron and it went boom and it knocked off a circuit breaker here in my room. So I don't screw around anymore with this stuff. I'm not going to fix the power supply board in there. I just ordered the Harbach kit for the Dentron. Luckily he has one for this. So that came. All I do now is stuff the board with the parts, capacitors, resistors, diodes, and then install the board into the Dentron and see if it works. So that's what we're going to do. This is easy to assemble. The only trick here is the capacitors have a minus sign on them, so you want to make sure it's on the minus side like that and put them in right. Diodes are polarized with a little stripe, and so you match the stripe with the stripe on here, put them all in. Resistors don't have polarity, just put the right value in here. All diodes have balancing resistors across them. I'm sorry, all capacitors have balancing resistors across them. Diodes have polarity, caps have polarity. Just put them in right and solder it up. This doesn't take long. This takes a half an hour or less to put these things together. The harder part is putting the board into the Dentron. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.